Everyone talks about the big money moves, investing, real estate, crypto. But the truth is, real wealth comes from the tiny daily habits that most people ignore. These are the habits that build discipline, awareness, and focus. So in this video, we're counting down the 12 small habits that quietly make people rich. Make sure you stay until number 1. It's the single habit that changed everything for me. Habit number 12. Surround yourself with financial energy. Your environment is shaping your financial future, whether you realize it or not. If your circle constantly complains about money, success, or opportunity, you'll start to do the same. But when you spend time around people who build, invest, and think long-term, that mindset becomes your default. Audit your circle. Follow creators, mentors, or friends who challenge you to think bigger. Your environment will either drain you or drive you. Habit number 11, reinvest found money. Every time you receive unexpected money, a refund, a bonus, side hustle cash, treat it like a seed, not a reward. Most people spend found money instantly. Wealthy people reinvest it. Put it towards savings, index funds, skills, or side projects that can earn more over time. Every dollar that doesn't get wasted becomes a quiet worker, building your future freedom. Habit number 10. Keep one no-spend day a week. We live in a world designed to make you spend. Ads, apps, notifications. So here's the challenge. One day a week, spend nothing. No coffee runs, no online shopping, no delivery food. It's not about the few dollars you save. It's about training your mind to enjoy control. The more comfortable you get with restraint, the easier it becomes to save and invest intentionally. Habit number 9. Think in decades, act in days. Poor people think in hours, the middle class thinks in months. Rich people think in decades, but they act daily. They don't chase overnight success. They build small systems that grow over years. Ask yourself each day, what's one small thing I can do today that my future self will thank me for? Then do it. No excuses, no waiting for motivation. Long-term thinking creates calm. Daily action creates results. Together, they build wealth. Habit number 8. Protect your focus. Your attention is your most valuable currency. If your phone steals it 100 times a day, that's 100 small withdrawals from your future. Schedule at least one focus block each day. No distractions, no messages, no noise. Use that time to work, study, or think strategically about your next move. The richest people aren't the busiest, they're the most focused. Habit number 7. Live below your emotional limit. Most people think being rich is about earning more. In reality, it's about needing less. Whenever your income rises, your emotions tell you to upgrade everything: the apartment, the car, the lifestyle. Here's the rule: when you get a raise, don't change your spending for 6 months. That gap between your income and your expenses is your wealth engine. You don't need to out-earn everyone. You need to out-discipline them. Habit number 6. Schedule weekly. Money time. We check social media daily, but our finances? Rarely. Set aside 1 hour a week, the same day and time, to look at your money. Review your spending, check your savings, adjust your budget. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to stay aware. When you give your money consistent attention, it starts to work for you instead of against you. Habit number 5, write down every purchase for 7 days. This one feels small, but it's eye-opening. For 1 week, write down everything you buy: coffee, snacks, subscriptions. By day 3, you'll start to notice where your money leaks out. Wealth begins with awareness. When you see exactly where your money goes, you can make choices instead of excuses. Habit number 4, automate smart decisions. Money disappears when it depends on willpower. That's why wealthy people automate everything: saving, investing, paying bills. Set up automatic transfers the moment your paycheck hits. This way, you never have to remember to save. It happens without emotion or delay. Automation turns good intentions into real results. Habit number 3, learn for 15 minutes a day. Knowledge compounds faster than money. 15 minutes of reading, listening, or watching educational content every day adds up to hours of learning each month. And that knowledge compounds. It changes how you think, what you notice, and how you make decisions. You don't get rich by working harder. You get rich by thinking better. Habit number 2, track one number daily. You don't need 10 spreadsheets, just one number. Track your net worth, savings rate, or spending. Pick one and stick with it. This habit builds awareness, and awareness creates control. When you can see your progress, you naturally make smarter choices. You can't improve what you don't measure. Habit number 1, wake up early and plan your day, the most important one. The way you start your day determines how you end it. Most people wake up already behind, rushing, reacting, scrolling through noise. Wealthy people do the opposite. They wake up early, take a few quiet minutes to relax, and plan their day before the world starts pulling at them. Use that first hour to think clearly, not to react. Write down your top 3 priorities. Review your goals. Move with intention, not urgency. When your mornings start calm and clear, your entire day runs smoother. And when your days align, your years and your wealth fall into place. All 12 of these habits are simple. None of them are flashy, but when you stack them, they transform how you think, how you act, and how you manage money. Wealth isn't built in one big move. It's built in hundreds of small decisions that no one sees. Start with one habit, stay consistent, and stack from there. Because the quiet things you do today will decide how loud your success is tomorrow. Which of these habits will you start tomorrow? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, like it to support the channel and share it with someone who needs it. Build habits, not hype. Thanks for watching. Please check my other videos.